As I told you, this is the metal guard was inside. It will be fitted to the crossbar of the recovery, and after that the bolt will be fitted to the body of my Pajero. And top of that, this is the plate, the aluminium one. It's really cleanly fitted for the bumper guard. You can see, and here it comes a 6 bolt. 2 of this one, it will be fitted to the metal, and here it comes to the recovery crossbar. This is the old recovery crossbar. It has a bend from 2007 model to 2011 model, I believe. As you can see, there is the bend. So fitting of this rear skid plate, we need to have a straight bar from here to there. As you can see, it's clean fitted to the thread of these ones, and you can see even to the bolt in the future. If you want to remove, they kept the space from the plate, and it's come the 6 bolts from here. You see, and the good things, they really well fitted, means as you can see, they keep all the bolt area open, and the heavy duty, it has a metal plate inside the guard. You can see from there, it just really fitted. I'm so super happy. For you guys, if you have any inquiry, you can message me. I can give all the informations. I'm available. This one is available with me, the stocks. So in the future, when you want, you can message me, inbox me, or comment into the video. See you guys. Thank you for watching.